here right on time.
Someone taking a journey? Who'll be going where? Ah, Mutlu, what is that bag for?
I'm going to outer space for the super documentary I'm filming, and you are coming with all of us. Thanks to me, you'll turn in the best homework assignment ever about outer space.
Everyone on the ship! Bye-bye, world!
Put on your space helmets, please. I want everything to look absolutely perfect for my documentary.
Oh, be very careful, Mutlu.
Ah, Mutlu, slow down!
But I can't move left or right anywhere. How can I record in this environment?
Come, let's change our seats, Mutlu. Manny is driving the spaceship. You can record more comfortably from here.
Wow, this is perfect. What is this button over here for? What about this? This?
Stop, Mutlu! Don't touch any of them, please! What are you doing, Mutlu?
Don't do it, Mutlu! Why do you keep pressing buttons you're not supposed to?
I'm trying to send a message to my dad in Morse code, don't you know? I'm telling him that we're having so much fun. I mean, I think we are, right?
Mutlu, please stop. You're gonna end up pressing the wrong button.
Look, there they are.
Let's see what he's saying, honey.
What is it? What is it?
We have already jumped.
Did they jump? I don't get it. What does he want to say?
No. Mutlu actually fell asleep when I was explaining to him about the Morse code.
Look! Do you see the sparkles on the sun? If I remember, these are called solar flares.
That's so cool!
Mutlu, don't forget to record this. There couldn't be a better video than what's in front of us right now.
Don't you worry. My eyes are on the lens.
Oh, it became so hot, guys.
What are you doing, Mutlu?
I mean, since we're gonna be sunbathing, why wouldn't we put sunscreen on us?
Are you aware that we are on a spaceship right now, Mutlu?
Look, my Earth friends, we've come to Mercury. Mercury is the closest planet to the sun.
So it's gotta be a really hot planet.
That's right, but not all the time. It's very hot in the mornings, but it's also too cold in the evenings.
All right, our next planet is Venus.
Ah, I know Venus well. We can see it easily when we look at the sky from Earth, because it's the most sparkling one after the sun and the moon.
Wow!
And our fourth planet is Mars.
Ooh, Mars, huh? I totally know Mars. Another name for Mars is the red planet. Look there. It's just like this red button over here.
Don't press it, Mutlu!
Oh, no!
Hey, sis! Zuzu, hey! No way! Where did they both go?
Did you see what you have done, Mutlu? You pressed the close distance beam up button.
I can't say it's my fault. You should have shared such important information with me before the trip.
They must be somewhere around here. We better check everywhere.
There they are. They've been beamed up to Mars.
Wow, I've become an astronaut documentarian. Hey! We're here! We came to rescue you guys.
Mutlu, what did you do? You literally beamed us up to Mars.
Isn't that great? Thanks to me, we are wandering around like astronauts. Hey, sis, what are these?
Wait, Mutlu, I think this is what's called a meteor shower.
What? Did you see a meteor shower?
Wait, Mutlu, where are you going?
I'm positive I had an umbrella in my bag, Zuzu. I need to run and get it.
Minnie, Maddie, they come from somewhere very far. Minnie, Maddie, they came to see all new things. Every moment, everyday life embraces us. Come now, come live with joy inside your